Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Epic Games sign in failed at AS-3 problem. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solution. The first solution is to allow Epic Web Helper through firewall and reset our internet. To allow Epic Web Helper through the firewall, you just need to go to search menu and type allow an app through firewall. Click on open it guys. In here you just need to select change settings, and now you just need to search for Epic Web Helper. In your case you will be get the Epic Web Helper guys. You just need to check mark private and public, both boxes you just need to check mark it. In my case I don't have it. I don't play online games guys, that's why I'm not getting that. You just need to search for Epic Web Helper and check mark private and public, both of it check mark it, and after doing it select OK. Our work in control panel is done guys. Now we will reset our internet. To do this you just need to go to search menu and type network reset. Click on open it. Select the reset now option and reset it guys. And after resetting it you just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, check your problem solved or not guys. If the problem persists, we will move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to change the DNS. The problem may be related to our internet, and if that's the case, changing the DNS can resolve the issue guys. To change the DNS you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select network and internet, and in here you just need to select network and sharing center, and now access type internet. You just need to select your internet over here, and now select properties, and now you just need to double click on the internet protocol version 4 and select use the following DNS server addresses. And now you just need to type here 8888 and down 8844. After typing it select OK for save changes. This DNS server belongs to Google and is completely safe to use guys. Close it off here. Click on OK. Close it off here. And we have changed our DNS address. Now you need to check your problem solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the final solution guys. Our third solution is to uninstall and reinstall the Epic Games. If the first two solution does not work for you, this solution might be helpful guys, because uninstalling and reinstalling can resolve these kind of problems. To do this you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select uninstall a program, and in here you just need to right click on the Epic Games launcher and uninstall it. After uninstalling it, go ahead and download it again and install it guys. Hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.